Then coming to that, what is the IP address? So IP address is basically, if you look into that, let's say you take this example of this one only. If anybody is sending in a packet, let's say that host 2, host 3 trying to access www.cdac.in. So these are the layers which we'll discuss for this one. So you are using HTTP protocol. That HTTP protocol will take either TCP or UDP. In generally, by default TCP it will take. That protocol will take IP. So however you connected your network, whether it is form of PPP, Ethernet, it will take the packet, will go to the router, the respective routers, and access that website and as application, then they will get back. The packets, if the more than 3 or 4 packets are there, the packets can travel from here. One packet can travel like this also. Another packet will travel, third packet can go like this also. If you have any connectivity between these two, the fourth packet also can travel like this. And in return, there is no guarantee that the same way the packet travels. So first packet is received like that, then in return the same first packet can go like this also. So that is why we designed this network, and these packets are very much important when it is coming to the security, how they were traveling, how they were making them, and what kind of problems can happen in this, and even though how to identify them. Also, the cybersecurity involves a lot of things. So now coming to the classful address, where I will try to discuss this classful address in different way. By opening another one, so F5. So IP addressing is IP addressing generally we called as a logical addressing, where MAC addressing we told is as a physical addressing system because it's physically available on network. But IP address, I can give this today one IP address, tomorrow I can give it to another address. Logical addressing, where you can use this addressing to transfer the packets. It works on network layer, where your MAC addressing works on layer 2 and this works on layer 3. The two versions of addressing scheme. So one is 32-bit IP version layer 4. Remember these things may be one of the questions in your assessment. IP version 4 is 32-bit addressing, IP version 6, 128 bits. So for remembering, so IP version 4, 4 into 8 bits. 8 bit is octet, 4 octets, 4 into this one. So but IP version 6, 6 into 8, 6 8s is what? 48, but don't consider like this. Is a 6 octets is divided into only physical address, where basically that come into the physical addressing system. So because that one hexadecimal number they mentioned, but here why version 6 128 bit may, so again they were taken the numbers and hexadecimals, that's what 128 bit. So you cannot, these were divided into 6 parts, but each part is 4 hexadecimal numbers. That is where it increases the 128 bit. So without thinking much, you simply remember IP version 4 is 32 bit, IP version 6 is 128 bit. So now majorly we discuss about version 4. What is the bit? Bit is the value that represent either 0 or 1. So only computers can speak on zeros, either 0 or 1. These are the two, because this is the binary system. So your IP address looks like this. Can you remember? If you say that my IP address is this, that's where these 32 bits are divided into 4 octets, known as a dotted decimal notation, into this way. So when I divided this and I converted this into binary into decimal, then I am able to get an IP address. So for our convenience, we are doing this conversion to understand easily and use this as a properly or optimally. But otherwise, if somebody gives this is what my IP address, it would be very difficult. Even though if you say 16 is bank account, remembering is very difficult, even though they are numbers. So that's what, for our convenience, this was divided into 4 octets, 4 into 8, 32 bit. Each 8 bit can be calculated as first octet, second octet, third octet, and fourth octet. So When version 6, if you look into that, it's an hexacolon notation. So hexadecimal, each hexadecimal is 2 bits. Like that is where we calculated with 128 bit. It is total. How many? There are 4. 4 things were there. 4. These are the 2 bits, and 4 are there. One letter is 4 bits. There are 4 letters is 16 bits. There are how many are there? 8 are there. 8 into 16 bit. That is what 128 bit. So that is where the major difference between IP version 6 and IP version 4. Of course, we won't discuss this at this moment. Now, if we look into that first example, first octet, total 8 bits, value will be either 0 or 1. So total how many are there? So the possibility is only the 2, 8 bits are there. That's what 2 power 8, 256 combinations will come. So if you are making 2 power 7 like this is value is 0. Am I right? All zeros is 0. And if you are keeping at first place 1, 1. And if you are keeping the 1, that 1 is belongs to second place, left from right to left is a 2. Because if you are keeping 1, 1, so 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1, 3. And it is value 2 power 2, 1 into 2 power 2, 4. Like this, if you calculate maximum 255, if you are all ones, 255 only. So it lies always, one octet lies always between 0 to 255 only. There are possible 256 possible values. So total IP address range can be there if you take 4 octets, 0.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. So total IP address scheme is divided into 5 classes: class A, class B, class C, class D, class E. The class A, B, C are majorly used for both LAN and WAN. That means internet also, the class A, class B, class C only. But class D is used for multicasting and news groups. The multicasting and news groups is basically which we use it for multicasting in the sense, suppose let's say within the network 256 machines are there, but you wanted to do only send the message to only 5 messages, 5 members only. That could be possible. There are groups, NAS groups are there. For that kind of things, they will use this class D. And class C is reserved for research and development purpose. And to identify the range of each class, we will be using priority bit concept. Let's say take priority bit is the leftmost bits in the first octet. What is the priority bit? Is the leftmost bit in the priority. Class A priority bit is 0. Class B priority bits is 10. That means if first octet always 0, first bit of the first octet is 0, then it is a class A. And first 2 octets are 1, 0 of that first octet, that is class B. If it is 1, 1, 0 is the class C. 1, 1, 0 class, the first 4 octets are belongs to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 class D. And if the first 4 bits are ones, is the class C. So for class A range reserved first bit in first octet, the value of the bit should not change because it's a 0. So the remaining values only changes in the first octet. Am I right? If first octet 0, only that values will change. Like this. So always 0. That means what is that count? If it is 0 in the last and the remaining ones, that is what possible. 0 to 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 7 zeros and 2, 0 to all 7s. So there are 127. That's what class A belongs to always between 0 to 127 of that first octet. So class A range is 0, 0, 0 to 127, 255, 250. Of course, there are exception cases are there where 0 into XXXX and 127.XXXX networks are reserved for managing this class A as a source address of the network range of addresses and a broadcast range of the network. This address will be used for the source, that management of the network of and all the class A range. This is the broadcast of the all this one. So they reserved for that. Class B, if you look into that, so 10. So that means 10 is the same in all IP addresses, like 10, 10, 10, only maximum this one only 10, all ones. So if you look into the total of this in the binary to decimal, so it is between 128 to 191. So this is the class B range. So class B range is 128.0.0 to 191.255.255.255, where again there is exceptional. The first two IP addresses would be, first and last address would be used for the source of class B and the broadcast of the class B. When coming to the class C, 110 is the common to up to at what level? So 110 to 11111. So this is 192 to 223. So if first route belongs to 192 to 223, we call it as a C class network. So the class C range always 192.0.0.0 to 223.255.255.250. Any IP address falling in under this range, we call it as a class C range. Class D range reserved for first 4-bit in first octet. So that way, same way, if you are going through, the range is 224 to 239. Class E 242 to 55. So this way we can easily understand the IP addresses.